Hey there car enthusiasts, are you looking to give your car a fresh new look or fix those annoying scratches and chips? You are in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 exceptional automotive touch-up spray paints that will breathe new life into your ride. From high gloss finishes to heat-resistant coatings, we have got you covered. So, let's dive right in and find the perfect spray paint to spruce up your car. At the first position of our list, we have the Dupli Color DA1692 Acrylic Enamel Spray Paint. This product stands out as a clear coat marvel for DIY automotive enthusiasts. Crafted with a focus on durability, this acrylic enamel spray offers a robust barrier against the elements. Its primary aim is to shield the vehicle's paintwork from the adversities of chipping, peeling, and fading that time and exposure can inflict. With its design centered around achieving a smooth, high-gloss finish, the paint not only protects but also elevates the visual appeal of any car. The user experience is significantly enhanced by the inclusion of a precision nozzle engineered for an even and controlled spray. This feature ensures that application is not only simple but yields a finish that could easily be mistaken for professional work. Ideal for both touch-ups and comprehensive protective layer, the 12-ounce can present itself as a staple in the toolkit of those passionate about maintaining their car's pristine look with a professional-grade outcome. Moving on to number 2 with the Dupli Color HVP106 Vinyl Fabric Coating Spray Paint. This product is a niche masterpiece for interior car renovations. Specifically formulated for use on vinyl and fabric, it offers a rejuvenation solution for car interiors that are in need of a fresh new look. The paint's flexibility is a standout feature, ensuring that it remains intact without cracking, peeling, or chipping, even on surfaces subject to regular movement and bending. The richness of the black hue provided by these 11-ounce can revitalizes car interiors, bringing a vibrant new life to upholstery, dashboards, and other fabric surfaces. The application process is made effortless thanks to a spray nozzle designed for smooth, consistent coverage. This paint is not just about aesthetic enhancement but also about achieving durable, long-lasting results, making it an ideal choice for those looking to revamp their car's interior with reliability and style. At number 3, we have the Dupli Color DE1635 Engine Enamel Spray Paint Semi-Gloss Black 12-ounce. The Dupli Color DE1635 Engine Enamel Spray Paint emerges as a formidable option for engine, cosmetic, and protective needs. This semi-gloss black enamel is engineered to endure the rigorous conditions of the engine bay, offering heat resistance up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The inclusion of ceramic elements in the paint's formulation enhances both heat dissipation and gloss retention, ensuring that the engine not only performs optimally but also maintains a visually appealing aesthetic. This 12-ounce can is characterized by its semi-gloss finish, which strikes a perfect balance between sheen and subtlety, providing a professional look that complements the engine's design without being overly flashy. The precision nozzle facilitates a smooth, even application, guaranteeing that the engine receives a coat that is both protective and pleasing to the eye. For those seeking to enhance the engine's durability and appearance, this spray paint offers a blend of performance and aesthetics. At number 4, we have the Rust-Oleum 248932 Automotive Engine Enamel Spray Paint. This paint is a standout for its ability to combine style with substance. Designed to resist temperatures as high as 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it is perfectly suited for engines, exhaust systems, and other components exposed to high heat. The gloss black finish not only adds a layer of protection but also imparts a modern, sleek look to the engine, contributing to the vehicle's overall aesthetic appeal. What sets this 12-ounce can apart is its resistance to oil and gas, underscoring its durability and making it an ideal choice for harsh operating conditions. The application process is streamlined with a nozzle that helps avoid drips and runs, ensuring a clean, professional-grade finish. Whether it's for refurbishing an older engine or adding a personal touch to a new project, this engine enamel delivers on both quality and durability, making it a favored choice among automotive enthusiasts. The number 5 position is held by Rust-Oleum 248904 High Heat Spray Paint Flat Aluminum 12-ounce. When undertaking projects exposed to extreme temperatures, Rust-Oleum's 248904 high heat spray paint emerges as a premier choice. This specialized spray paint, available in a 12-ounce can, is engineered to resist temperatures reaching up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Its design caters to applications such as exhaust manifolds and mufflers, where heat resistance is paramount. The flat aluminum finish not only provides a sleek, professional look but also plays a crucial role in heat reflection, contributing to the cooling of the painted surfaces. This feature is especially beneficial in automotive and industrial settings where temperature management is critical. The formulation of the spray paint emphasizes durability, withstanding exposure to oil, gas, and environmental elements like rust and corrosion. Such resilience ensures that the painted surfaces remain protected in even the most challenging conditions. Furthermore, the Rust-Oleum 248904 boasts superior adhesion qualities, guaranteeing that once applied, the paint remains intact, preserving both its protective attributes and aesthetic appeal over time. Its user-friendly nature is highlighted by an easy application process and a rapid drying period, making it an indispensable asset for quick and efficient high-heat projects. At number 6, we have the 39143 Trim Black Spray Aerosol 2. The 39843 Trim Black Spray Aerosol stands out as a versatile solution for automotive trim restoration. This product delivers a satin finish that mimics the original trim of most vehicles with remarkable accuracy. It is specifically designed for users aiming to revive the appearance of faded or blemished vehicle trim, restoring it to its pristine condition. Its formulation is crafted for unmatched adhesion to a variety of materials, including metal, plastic, and rubber. This ensures a durable finish capable of withstanding the vices of daily use and environmental exposure. The spray's nozzle is engineered to produce a fine mist, facilitating a smooth and controlled application. This precision helps avoid common painting mishaps such as rips and uneven coverage. Ideal for both minor touch-ups and comprehensive restoration projects, the 39143 Trim Black Spray Aerosol is an essential tool for achieving a professional, factory-like finish. Whether you are detailing a classic car or refreshing the look of your daily driver, this Trim Black Spray provides the quality and performance needed to achieve outstanding results. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the SprayMax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat Aerosol 2-Pack. Concluding our selection is the SprayMax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat Aerosol, a 2-pack offering that elevates the finish of painted surfaces to professional standards. This clear coat is distinguished by its two-component system, which cures to form a hard, resilient layer superior to ordinary aerosol products. It offers exceptional defense against environmental aggressors, UV radiation, and chemical degradation, ensuring the longevity of the underlying paint. The high gloss finish bestowed by this clear coat is unmatched, enhancing the vibrancy and depth of the car's color. This product is synonymous with achieving a show-quality look that captivates and impresses. Its application process is designed for simplicity, with a nozzle that promotes a uniform, flawless coating, eliminating the common pitfalls of clear coat application. For enthusiasts and professionals alike seeking a durable, high-gloss finish that protects and beautifies, the SprayMax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat Aerosol is the ultimate choice. It embodies the perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality, making it a staple for any automotive painting project aiming for excellence. And there you have it, folks. 7 exceptional automotive touch-up sprays paint that will help you achieve a professional finish on your car. Whether you are dealing with high heat, wanting to restore your car's interior, or simply looking for a durable clear coat, these products have got you covered. Remember, a well-maintained car